Hello mga tagay, nandito naman si Inday Tagay, ang babaeng hindi naubusan ng tagay. Naku, tumatagay. May tagay dyan, hindi na nagagamit kasi hindi na ako tumatagay. Ngayon, ang ating ulam is
Fried chicken.
fried chicken na hindi natin napachop kasi hindi ko pinachop kasi behind the light. Ayan mga katagay, fried chicken tayo. Suka na maraming sili, merong siling demonyo, merong native sili, merong citrus, pati toyo, pati suka konti. Tapos meron tayo ditong
Kain tayo katagay.
meron tayo dito
Itong ulam mo.
sili na nilagyan ko ng yung crispy fry. Tapos yung ating masarap na dayok, bagoong. Ay, ala, gago talaga ito si. Ay, naku. Yung manok ko kinuha ng aso. Meron kasi yung kanina yung manok na kuan.
Tinula.
Kinuha ng aso. Sinawsaw ko dun sa sukang tuba na maraming sili. Bigyan natin ako ng kanin. Peace. Ay, tama na. So much indeed. May kutsara pati tinidor. Kala nyo magamit ko ito. Hindi kaya. Maginamot ako. So sa aking mga tagay, drumstick. Ito ang paborito ko mga tagay. Balat. So ngayon, mag-ainan na tayo. Kasama manok. Sarap. Sarap ng pagkatimpla mga tagay. Yun lang nga, nagtanong ako kung meron silang meron silang sauce, wala daw kay templado na, pero actually alis dyan. Laki yung mata ko, basta pakpak. I want wings English. Rab, shout out to Rab. Actually I like wings because my favorite part is the bones. Hindi ka ngayon makakain ha. Hindi ka ngayon makakain. What's done? Let's try this ko I just seen this in YouTube that she is but then to her it's crunchy, to me it's not. Kanin. Bakit sila hindi nangangan? Kaya lang man. This is the place where we're cooking because in the other house somebody is cooking there. So this one is junk house, or what do you call that? Where they put all their bodega. What do you call bodega in English, man? I forgot because I didn't finish my school. Bodega. I don't know. I forgot. I'm sorry. Sipon is real. Suka. May toyo. Maglagay tayo ng chili. Let's try this is the only sauce that I have because I have one yung pure vinegar, coconut vinegar, but then the dog just, that, that paid dog na yan, oh, yan, oh, yan, oh. I'm not going to feed her today, tonight. This is how poor people lives. Tulos po ko. Actually, I'm going to tell you a story. I am enjoying my life to the fullest, even where I go, what I do in life, where where I am in the top or under, or even side by side. There he goes up in the sky. Charot. I'm enjoying life because this is a challenge for me, and you know what? Even though I have a lot of problems sometimes. I don't know. I'm just so happy. Maybe I'm ADHD. I'm really ADHD. I'm just happy in any ways. I am always a positive person. Though sometimes life makes it hard for me. I make it a challenge for myself. For myself that I can do this. Some people maybe they cry or they kill themselves or whatsoever. But for me, it's a big challenge. And I know God is with me and I can do that. But then right now, I'm happy. I'm happy because I have plants, garden. Uh, hmm, I'm still alive. And I can sing the song that I want to sing. You know, Mike. Ah, tulong sa pagtumatagay. Too spicy. Actually, I'm full. I need Coke. Then, Coke. Sarap Coke ba yung pagbuhos mo tapos may ice. Mmm. May, mas,
Lalo na.
may masama akong plano. Ayaw niya magbili ng Coke. Mamaya, magpunta ako sa tindahan. Magbili ako maliit na Coke. I will do what I want to do. Because I am me. Tililililili. Nag-play na lang ako, hindi na ako kakain. Pusog na kasi ako actually. Ay, akong sipon. Sipon ba ito? Ay, sipon. Ay, kala ko sipon. Pawis pala. Uy, yung pa ako. Akin share yan dyan. Akin yan dyan. Ayaw ko na. Dalo. Akin yan doon ka sa kabila. Ano naman na siya? Nagago. Gusto ko yung mga part. Dalo pa naman ako pag hindi ko na kaya. Ginasip. Para akong kuan ba yung chipmunks ba yun? Ginalagay niya dito sa mga gilid-gilid niya. Kahit na unggoy, gina-reserve ko yan. May mga part ako na dalo ako. Rob knows that you know, Rob, you know that when I like something like in the food, I always reserve it even though I cannot eat it anymore, but then I reserve it for tomorrow. Part ko yan dito. Where's my part? Oh na, kinain niya na. Mapanis na, ilagay mo sa ref. Nahawa ka na.
Gano'n lang, bakit nilagay ko sa rep.
Siguro mo na sa ref.
Hindi, maubusan.
Wala mo. Ubusin nyo. Hindi ko maubos. Magkain pa ako mamaya.
Lagay mo lang dyan.
Oh, wait.
Lagay mo pa sa rep yan, nga hindi mo mabuksan yun mamaya. Hindi ka pakakain, marami kang abilidad ba?
Ay, sipon ko pala. Nasa mo daw sipon ko din.
Ah.
Marumi ako. Ano, mga tagay.
Lagay mo muna eh.
Wait lang. So, mga tagay, thank you very much for watching and please subscribe and click the notification bell down below para sa susunod nating mga mukbangan na walang kwenta, puros istoryahan, hindi mukbang. Noon, tagayan, ngayon mukbangan, ngayon istoryahan na yun. Joke lang. So, anyways, mga tagay, thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel and thank you for all the subscribers at nabubulol na ako dahil busog. Char. Thank you. God bless and Happy New Year. Bye-bye.